So hello guys, my name is Kiraz Sahu and welcome to my channel. This is the third video in our Python 0 to professional course, and in this video we will write our first Python program. So smile that we will write our first code in Python. So if you don't know how we can save a Python file, so we will write first Python program. So we will write as first program dot py. Like remember, always ends with py. Always. Like if you write p, then it is other language. Then you have to write py dot py. Remember dot py. So enter, and our file is created. So we will print our first program like print. सबसे पहले हेलो वर्ल्ड ही प्रिंट करते हैं सब जगह, तो वही देखेंगे अपन सब hello world. So we will run this as, and you can see in the output section this is hello world we have printed, and you can print anything you want like hello python, and it is hello python giving hello python. You can print anything, and if you can use this double quotes in place of single, like it will run. Also you can use single quotes instead of double. Remember, you can use single quotes also, and double quotes also, and then you can see this is like they both will done. देखो हेलो पाइथन हेलो वर्ल्ड दोनों आ गया. एक सिंगल क्वाट है, एक डबल क्वाट है, सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है. तुम कोई सा भी कर सकते हो, ये तुम्हारी मर्जी है, एज यू विश. सो दिस इज़ अवर फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम इन पाइथन. सो we will meet in the fourth video. So bye bye guys.